Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we are going to expand 4x plus 3y all the way to the power of 3 using the very fast and smart method called binomial triangle. This method helps us to expand binomial expressions without stress and without long multiplication. So by the end of this class, you'll be able to expand any binomial raised to a power. First of all, what is binomial? A binomial is an expression with two terms. For example, 4x plus 3y has two terms, so it is a binomial. And to do that, to expand a binomial raised to a power, we use Pascal triangle to get the coefficients. So let's just quickly solve this one. Now, if you look at it, you have 4x here, which is the first term, and then we have 3y, which is the second term. So that is how we refer to it as binomial. Let's dive into the question. The first term here is 4x, and the second term is 3y. So the two of them makes up what we call binomial expression. So we are going to start with 4x raised to the power of 3. And we begin to reduce it from 3 to 0, while we keep on increasing the 3y from 0 to power of 3. So let's do that here. Here you have 4x all the way to the power of 3 times this 3y here. So you write 3y raised to the power of 0 plus you write 4x all raised to the power of this one is 3. It will now reduce to 2. So you write it to the power of 2. Then times 3y raised to the power of this one is 0. It's going to increase the power. It's going to increase to 1. So this will now be 1. Then plus 4x all raised to the power of this one here is 2 here. The power here 4x to the power of 2, the 2 will now reduce to 1 here. So this will now be 1 times 3y. Why this one here? 1 will now increase to 2. So you have raised to the power of 2. Then plus 4x all raised to the power of this 4x to the power of 1. This 1 will reduce to 0. This will now be 0 times 3y all raised to the power of this one plus 2 here is going to increase here to 3. So raised to the power of 3 here. So this is what you have. Now if you look at this now, this is from 3 plus 0 will give you 3, 2 plus 1 will give you 3, 1 plus 2 will give you 3, then 0 plus 3 will give you 3. Now if you look at it again, this 4x, the power starts from 3, it reduced to 2, from 2 it now reduced to 1, from 1 it reduced to 0. While the power of 3y starts from 0, is increasing to 1, from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3. So this is what we have now. So the next thing we do here is to clear the brackets. So let's multiply this one now. So we have 4 raised to the power of 3. This one, 4x to the power of 3, sorry, is going to give us, let's just rule the line. It's going to give us 4x. Is it 4x? No. I don't think it's 4x. It's going to give us 64. That is 4 raised to the power of 3 will give us 64. And then x raised to the power of 3. We are still going to multiply by this one. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this one is definitely going to be 1 here. Then plus, this is going to be 4x. So this is going to be 4 raised to the power of 2 will give us 16. So it's going to give us 16x squared times, what will be the multiplication here? This one is going to give us 3y because the power there is 1. So you now have 3y. Then plus, this one here is going to be 4x in brackets. While this one here is going to give us 3y squared. 3y squared. This is going to give us 3 squared will give us 9y squared. Plus this one is going to give us 1, and then why this one here is going to give us 27y cubed. 27y cubed. So we're going to apply these ones. We start with this 64x cubed times 1 will give us 4x cubed. Give us 64x cubed plus 16 times 3 will give us 48. To give us 48 x squared y plus 4x times 9y squared. That will give us 36 xy squared. 36 xy squared. Exactly. So let me just quickly correct this. So 36 plus 27y plus 27y cubed. All right, so this is what we have. Now the next thing we'll do is to use what we call Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle, you start from, you use Pascal triangle to actually get the coefficients of these terms. Now you start with 1, and then you take 1 out and take the 1 out. Then you now add this 1 plus this 1 will give you 2. You write the 2 down here. So I'm going to do that now. Now give me 2 here. Then this 1 we take it out, this 1 we take it out. So I'm going to have 1 and then 1 here. Then you continue. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. You write the 3 down here. Then 2 plus 1 we get 3 here. You write the 3 here. Then you take this 1 out and then you take this 1 out. So let's do that. This 1 plus 3 will give 1 plus 2 will give you 3. Then 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Then you take this 1 out and then you take this 1. You see it's forming a triangle. Now we have how many terms there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to stop here, okay? Because the power is, look at the terms here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 terms. You stop here, right? But if it's more than 4, you can continue. Now this, you are going to use this 1 to multiply this to get the coefficients. 1 times 64, 3 times 48, 3 times 36, and then 1 times 27. Let's quickly do that. This answer. Now 1 times 64 will give us 144. 1 times 64 will give us 64 x cubed plus 3 times 48 will give you 144. It will give you 144 x squared y plus this 3 times 36. It will give us 108. 108 x y squared plus 1 times 27 y cubed will give you 27y cubed. So this is the answer. If you understand this, you'll be able to, you can expand any binomial raised to any power. But before I go, I want to leave you with one assignment. You just try that. Boom. This is the assignment. You can try this. Expand using Pascal triangle. This 3x minus 2y all raised to the power of 4. So give an assignment and try that. So please like, share and subscribe for more mathematics made simple like this. Thanks for watching.